It's very common to deal with jurisdictional restrictions on the amount of light that you can provide, such as a maximum number of foot candles at any given calculation point. One way you can identify problem areas located on your site is by using the Highlight Values tool in AGI. We can click this, we can select this little checkbox here, and then we can set a foot candle range in which we'd like to highlight with a specific color. So let's say the jurisdiction prohibits going above 6 foot candles. We can type in 6 and then some arbitrarily high number like 100. If you leave this box blank, it'll give you an error, so you have to punch in some extremely high number and then press OK, and it'll highlight all of your calculation points that have foot candles higher than 6 or higher than whatever number you define. That way you can identify what areas have extremely high levels of light, and then you can adjust your fixtures accordingly. You can do the same to find locations that have 0 foot candles. It could be that your statistical area is giving you a NA reading for your average minimum ratios because your minimum foot candles at one of your calculation points that's in your statistical area is 0. If you divide your average by 0, it's just going to give you 0, hence why you get this NA output. So in order to find the locations where there's 0 foot candles, you can simply do the same. Define another value range and set it 0 to 0 with a different color. Press OK, and then this is going to highlight all the areas where there are 0 foot candles, which would be down here behind the building or up here by the entrance into the site. And that way you can adjust your statistical area to not include these areas. So as you can see, all of these calculation points right here, which are 0, are included in my statistical area, which is, you follow this skinny black line around. So I can adjust my statistical area to not include behind the building in order for it to punch out an accurate average minimum ratio or maximum minimum ratio.